Yeah. Hey, hi guys. This is Ankit Gilda. I'm the owner of this page, and I work as a broker. So my firm name is Mave Investment. We have a Sheikh Khan franchisee. So I operate from Jalna, and I am a trader as well, and I investor as well from last 5 years. So yeah, so this today's call is basically for showing you the results what I call has given to our given to our customers and the people who are new in the trading. Yep. So I have made an Excel sheet what the calls were given from the starting first week. So you can in any point of time you can just comment over here and ask your queries regarding stocks, or whatever your positions, everything. I'll try to solve as much as possible after I show my presentation over here. So this is not a presentation. Basically, I'm just here to tell you how we trade in our firm. So basically, we give out daily one or two or max three calls. Uh, Three is a maximum limit we give. So from 30th March, we have started to given calls. Means we are giving the calls from last 1 year, but we are will be focusing on April results only. Or maybe if you want, we can focus on any other result. You just tell us. So yeah. So I will also post this post the screenshots of this the sheet in the group later, so that you can go and analyze it, right? So this is the sheet of first week of April. We have started from 30, 31, 1 and 3. So we have given in one we have given this much calls in this thing in that week. So total calls were given 11, in which target hit was 4, SL hit was 3, and book half was 2, and one was out of buy. Out of buy is basically means that thing didn't come on the buying price, right? So yeah. So, so in first week, our four SLs were hit like minus 15, minus 13, minus 19, and minus 15 rupees, right? So this was our price which we have told to buy, and this was our targets. Yes, and this is the Excel. So in first week, our total profit, if people have done in a just a simple way like buying and just following the discipline कि आज दो स्टॉक लिया है, लॉस तो लॉस, प्रॉफिट तो प्रॉफिट, आज का कोटा खत्म, लेट्स सिट एट होम. So they have made in the end of the week is 197 rupees. On let's suppose you have a 20 or 30,000 rupees, you will able to buy this all the stocks in a 50 quantity, all the stocks in a 50 quantity. After making losses, that quantity may vary. Suppose. Okay, so if you started on first April, you have made a, like 15 and 15 30 rupees near about losses on your this thing. So 55 1500 loss, and your capital is now like 20 now like maybe suppose 28,000 rupees, right, on 30,000 capital, right? So next day you made a profit of 50 rupees, still 20 rupees more. So your capital got increased by 31,000 rupees. Now your capital is increased by 31 rupees. Next day you have lost again 19 rupees. So you have to just trade. You get the point. You have to just trade on a specific amount, and you have to clearly define your strategies of entry and exit point, and just stop there. You made a 1,000 rupees loss, you don't you made a rupees loss, now you have done for the day. You made a 1,500 rupees profit, you are done for the day. Whatever the market moves, I will not go into. This kind of discipline should be there in intraday trading. Afterwards everything starts, like charts and everything starts afterwards. First this discipline should come into you, that I'll not trade or over trade, or try to cover my losses on same day. This kind of discipline, when it happens, the results itself shows that you will make a good profit. So yeah, so this first week is we have made 197 rupees. In second week we have made 47 rupees after hitting the stop losses. This is the human trade I'm talking about. So people, what throughout the people do is they just post what their targets are hitting and what profit screenshots they are hitting. they don't post when the losses are hit, right? So give let me give you an example. So let me give you an example. um, Example, if I made a 10 rupees yesterday and I made 30 rupees loss today, then what is the use of making 10 rupees yesterday, right? So whenever the other people or tips people who shows you कि we have made 10 rupees, we have made 100 rupees, ask them to show the monthly results of their stocks. Ask them the proofs, because a good advisor will never shy away from the proofs, may it be bad also, because he knows he can do better, right? So I'll show you. We have also made in 1 week losses in this week only. So we are not shying away, and this is the with proof with timing view. If you want screenshots, we can provide you. Okay. So yeah. So this is second week we made 47 rupees profit after hitting stop losses and our calls. In third week of April, we made we have given same 11 calls, targets hit three this thing. So this is what we made 211 rupees, right? 211 rupees in third week. In fourth week of April, there is a one there is we made 121 profit, and there is one more call is here, which is of sorry, not this one, this is 18th one. We have given on 24/4/2020 Bata India. Buy levels was 1311, targets for 1322, and this thing was 20. So this was uh, this was 10 days calls, right? So what happened in this call is we have told people to average it on the lower level, and this stop loss we have increased from 12 to 45 levels, right? So if you so this was an intraday call, but we told them to take this position further because that day the stop loss was hit. So you can calculate the stop loss here, but we have told to people to take this further on your leverage level. If you have leverage, just cut off the leverage position and take this further, right? So before giving tips only, we understand our clients, what leverage he can carry, what money he should use. We give everything in explanation, so we know when to tell to take leverage. So this stock didn't move that day, and we have told them to keep it on 10 days. And if you see this stocks today's rate, it is 1360 closing and 3070 high, maybe somewhat like that, right? So those people were carrying these things where the people have done average on lower levels, and they got near about 70 rupees profit. Okay, so you can go ahead and calculate the stop loss and just minus it from 121 rupees. That's fine if you think you are just an intraday trader. Then also I have made like 80 rupees on 80 rupees on a weekly basis, right? So those who are good traders, they know what is the importance of a single rupee. If your quantity is 100 or 50, right? So yep. So this is the fifth week, which was not good for us, even though market was done good. But we accept that we were not did good, means our stocks went did not hit that good properly in the markets, right? So this happens with anybody, everybody. So we don't shy away with that. So in this week we have made like minus 11, but if you add that Bata profit to the people who were carrying for the week, so this minus will also come in plus. But if you're not carrying that, if people are not carrying that Bata thing, so this will also in minus. So that's okay. We are, but at monthly basis also on a 30,000 we have made like 20, more than 20 or 30,000. If you calculate also, let's calculate the real number. So minus 11 plus 90. I'm not taking the Bata profit, right? So third week was we have minus plus 90. Fourth week was okay. Third week was plus 221. Okay, and second week was 47. Okay, so just yeah. So this was अभी 47 add कर देंगे. Yeah, and first week was like so this is 30 31. I'll not consider that profit. I'll just add okay, I'll maybe for 50, and there is a minus yeah, I'll just add 20 rupees, or if you can see, I'm just taking this one because I'm considering that people have done from January on April only with me. So this is where the stop losses are treated. So I'll not take this profit into account. Okay, like see, nothing happens. So 347 per month. If I calculate or I'll just calculate on the average 30 stock basis. Okay, 47. The people I'm talking about, I'm not going into big. I'm just taking minimum amount what I need for trading is like still I'm at 17,350 rupees, right? And now suppose you have a minimum balance like 20,000. You may be able to take only one or two stocks or something like that, and your luck is so bad. Still, you will be making 3 to 5,000 per stock. 3 to 5,000 at the end of the month. That is 10% of your this thing. You may not able to take three stocks. You may be able to only take two stock or one stock. Still, you're making 13 stocks. If you have a more capital like 50,000, you may able to take 30 quantity each. And after hitting stop loss also, you may able to get this number 17,350, which is more than 60%, right? And now I'm talking about, I'm just considering the bare minimum. Higher can be anybody anything in the markets, right? I'm just talking about the bare minimum, right? So still you have made 3,000 per month on your 20 30,000 capital, that is 10%. So that is very huge. If you're thinking that markets, this is how you trade long term. If you're thinking that I will double my wealth in 1 week, 2 week, that's just fine. You can double it, but it will not continue to the long term, right? So this is something you need to understand. You need to, and if you see in such market, I don't give sell calls also because I don't have the customers who understand short selling properly and understand the risk under short selling. So still I don't give, but still we have made on a pretty good. So market had started to jump up from March, maybe second week or third week. But if you see my March results also, they are very good. Like this is the March fourth week results where we made 243. So I'll show you March third week where we made 193. Second week where we made 26 rupees. Right? 95 on March first week. Get back to Feb third week where we made Feb fourth week. Get back to, I don't know. I don't know. This sheet is not updated. Maybe I lost calls, or maybe you consider this. Okay. So I have the proofs. Maybe I have not updated it. So yeah, in second week 137 rupees. So if anybody wants any proof, please go ahead and write in the comments. I'll definitely send you the proofs. There is no issue in asking the proofs. There is no issue in doing such thing. 24 rupees. So this is not a just random numbers. You can go on that date also, and you can check on the graphs also if you can are really just made. So this is what the transparency is, right? You are putting your money on our trust, and we will not be able to digest that if we are doing the wrong business. Yeah. So it's Jan second week. So from Jan second week, I try to maintain it from before also I have done it, but that is not in the sheet. But you can see on my page if you scroll down, or just ping me, and if you want some more data to analyze. Yeah. Yep. So this is what I have right now. Yep. Uh, so any other questions? Do you have any comments? Okay. Any comments do you have? So I'm not able to see any comments where it comes. This is my first live video. I don't know how the comments are appearing and all. So I don't know even if someone is listening or not. Yep. So yeah, yeah. So I don't know. So, video clipping. If anybody knows how to use it, please. So for my next live video, I will be able to do this very often. Yeah, it was a very small video, and it will be posted on the group. Sorry if I'm not clear, or if something like this. Give me your honest feedback. Honest feedbacks are always welcome. You can message me, you can comment me, you can do anything, but just don't give bad words, guys. Thank you. Yep. Thank you very much. I'll try to improve more. I'm not good communicator, but trying to be. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.